The objective of the RoughRail job is to straighten the gun drill tool. The equipment used includes a workbench, an inspection tray with a white background, and a light. The tools used include hammers and rags. The materials used are a gun drill. The work environment is an indoor work environment with heating and air conditioning. The personal protective equipment includes a floor mat, safety glasses, hearing protection, and a shot glove. The worker observed was 5 feet 8 inches tall. The work tasks for the RoughRail job begin by getting the gun drill and positioning it on the inspection tray. Then workers will position the gun drill on the fixture. Next, workers get the hammer and pound the gun drill to straighten it. Workers will repeat these actions as they reposition the gun drill on the inspection tray to determine what areas need to be straightened. As they identify areas that need to be straightened, workers will hammer the identified areas until the gun drill is completely straight. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the RoughRail job. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a high pace. Hands were in constant steady motion or exertion to hold and straighten the gun drill. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing and continuous neck flexion, or forward bending, when using hammers. Forceful exertions were required to use the hammer to straighten the gun drill. Awkward postures were observed and included neck flexion, or forward bending, to use the hammer when the gun drill is positioned on the fixture. Elevated and extended arms and forearm rotation to position the gun drill on the inspection tray, to rotate the gun drill on the inspection tray, and to hammer the gun drill when it is positioned on the inspection tray. Additionally, wrist deviation or sideways bending, wrist flexion or forward bending, and wrist extension or backwards bending while using the hammer to straighten the gun drill. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the hands and the fingers and the edges of the gun drill and hammers. It is important to note that gloves are available and gloves are worn when using the heavier hammers. The recommendations for the RoughRail job include investigate machine vision for inspection tasks to decrease posture stress. Investigate using cameras with monitors and/or projection goggles to inspect parts to decrease posture stress. Investigate using cameras with monitors and/or projection goggles to view parts while hammering to decrease posture stress. Considering alternative mechanical mechanisms to pound the gun drill to decrease forceful exertions and awkward postures.